farming, stats, firsts. This is amazing. What's up, people, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review, I will show you how I got Blox scripts for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have, navigate to this website called AppLoop, and up here you have scripts. Click there and you will find the online tool Blox. Click there, guys, and now we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. It's super easy. Go to your official Roblox profile, okay, and just copy your profile link. Okay, let's get back to the R tool. Then you have paste button, just like that. Press continue, guys, and let's see the next step. Okay, connected, nice. And now we have some questions here. Do you have Delta executor? No, I don't have. Import the newest? Yes. And select scripts that you want to add to your account, guys. I will select this. So let me click continue and let's see the next step. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Blox, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites. For now, this AppLoop is an amazing website for this. Okay, AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher with the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Draft Kings Casino, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you have this message, you're on the right way. So let's wait together for this redirecting. Verification successful, nice. Thank you for passing the bot check. Blox scripts are important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. Let me open the game and let's test does it actually works. Let's see, guys. Okay, Blox, let's click. Let's see, guys. Okay guys, now I'm in the game, as you can see. So we have all scripts added successfully. So just click execute and let's wait for these scripts. Okay, let me see. Just a second. And guys, just a second. As you can see, all scripts are added successfully. So we have farming, stats, firsts. This is amazing scripts. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.